This one. Here. Ugh, this fucking pussy. You are a pussycat. Alright, I'm going in. I guess I'm scaring you too much. You're too much of a pussy. I mean, I feed you all the time, and somehow it's not enough. It's still not enough. Why is that? Okay, I'm out of here. You win, you little brats. Just can't be like the slugs, I guess. You don't like me as much as the slugs apparently like me very much. Meow. Meow. Uns. Separacots. Siperuti. Anana. Okay. I'm going in. Stay out of my way. I'm going in. I see you over there, you know. Oh, come on. Hey. 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 Get the fuck back over there. Oh, fine. Bye-bye, you fucking jackass. Ingrate. Damn ingrate. What an ingrate. Never seen a thing like it in my fucking life.